All right, guys. Now with 0.01 lot size, you can make as much as 100 USD from one singular trade, trading SAU USD. That is 1,000 pip. You can even go further to make 200 US dollar, which is 2,000 pip. You can go further to make 300 US dollar, just one singular position on SAU USD. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys the process, the formula, and how this thing can be possible, especially those of you who are having capital problem. Like as I always tell people, capital shouldn't be your problem as a profitable trader. All right, what you just need is information, right? Information. Just have a working system. Once you have a working trading system in this industry, you will never complain about capital problem anymore. So right here on my screen, I have as little as 5 US dollar. And trust me, when people see this kind of things, they believe it's never possible. All right. Now with this 5 US dollar, I'm going to place my position on SAU USD, trading on this account. Now, before I start placing my trade on this small account, you can see 5 US dollar. Let me go straight to SAU USD. There is something I want to teach you guys about how to manage your small trading account. Okay. Especially when you are trading, such high volatility, assets such as SAU US dollar. Now, I will go straight to the chart. Okay. I'm going to teach you guys how this whole management strategy work. Then once you have learned it, you can start replicating the result, from your small account. Now, this also applies to, any account size. I'm only doing it for people who are low on budget, who doesn't have enough capital for, to invest in the market. So if you have profit account, it also works. If you have whatever account size you have, but if you have account that is very small, note the word very small, you have to be very good with management, because if I place trade on this account, automatically I'm already risking everything on this account. And you know what that means? I have to make sure that where I am placing that position is what this account can accommodate. This is 50 pip, automatically risking 50 pip because this is 5 US dollar on 0.01. So what we do regarding the management is very, very simple. Let me go straight to the chart so that as I'm explaining it, it will be easier for you guys to understand. Now, this is the asset we want to trade, all right? This is SAUSD, which is also the same thing as gold. Now, to trade gold on a small account profitably without blowing up your account, you have to make sure, like as I said, the management is very, very, very important. You have to make sure that where you are placing the position is where the market will take off and then go in alignment with your direction, without putting you on a drawdown. This is what I'm talking about. We are not interested to trade that small trading accounts on the day that there will be a reversal in the market. For example, all these black candles here you see on my chart, these are the reversals. For example, this is reversal. These two candles are reversal. This one looks like a reversal. All right. Then this one is obviously a reversal. No matter how big your account is, this one will affect it definitely. Then this one too is a reversal. We don't want to engage on days like this. We don't want to engage days like this. Is a reversal. This is a reversal. This is one secret that you guys need to appreciate that I'm giving to you guys right now. This is day of reversal. All right, not all black candles. Sorry to use the word all black candles. It's not all black candles, but the black candle that shows up after a series of green candles, these are reversals. For example, after these green candles, this black one, this is reversal. This bearish candle is reversal. This one too is reversal. So we don't want to engage the day that there will be reversal. Now, with respect to the account size we are managing, of course, like I said, the account size is very, very small. So what we can do, we can maximize our opportunity by trading high probability direction in the market. There are directions in the market that are high probability direction. For example, this is our normal regular market structure. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, then what we are interested in is once there is a reversal after this bearish move to the downside on this same daily time frame, all these are characterized by each daily candles. So once these black candles are completed going to the downside, then the moment there's a reversal here to the upside, let me make it bold for you guys to see. The moment there's a bullish reversal here, after this first bullish reversal, this is where we can comfortably take this position and then be expecting more bullish move to the upside. What I'm talking about is we are interested in every bullish reversal to the upside on this asset SAUSD. This is how it will look like. a black candle followed by a green candle, just like engulfing candle pattern. You will see this pattern everywhere there's a turning point in the market. Like here, you will see it right here. Obviously, you will see the pattern here. All right, because before this bullish move to the upside, there was a black candle here. You also see it here as well. All right, you also see it here. Now, the reason why we want to trade it, remember I told you we don't want to trade the day that there will be reversal. Remember I told you guys we don't want to trade these days. Now, let me tell you guys one secret. You will only see days of reversal like this, these bearish reversals, after the market has moved for a very long time, going bullish, 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 bullish. Now, all these are bullish candles, just like what you are seeing here. Bullish candles, several bullish candles, and then all of them bearish candles. Now, bearish candle can show up because so many days have been characterized by bullish candles, Now, what we want is the moment there is a reversal, bullish reversal, that's what I just showed you guys right now. This is high probability. The next day, we press the buy button. Very, 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 very powerful. This day, once we press the buy here, all right? Remember from the beginning of this video, I said you can make 100 USD from one single trade. You can make 200 USD from one single trade. You can make 300 USD from one single trade. I am not here to tell you guys what is possible. I am telling you guys what I can do, all right? I have done it over and over again, and I can still do it over and over again. I can make 300 USD from one singular position with 0.01 lot size. The screenshot will be shown when editing this video. I can make 400 USD, 500 USD with 0.01 lot size, on this position. Now, the smallest lot size you can trade is 0.01, irrespective of your account size. Even though it's 5 USD, even though it's 10 USD, 0.01 will be possible. All you just need to do, know the right time to engage it. That is why this video is very important. Know the right time so that it doesn't carry you on the drawdown. For example, making 100 USD with 0.01 means 1,000 pip. Also, losing 5 USD or 10 USD means losing 50 pips on the market or 100 pips on the market. We don't want a situation this market put us on the drawdown when we have small account. That is why we need this strategic moment, the best moment to engage. This is why management is the most powerful skill you can ever, achieve as a trader. And it goes beyond stop loss and take profit. All right. So we need the right time to engage this market. The moment this candle close, this shows bullish reversal. Once you take this trade, I don't know if I can go to lower time frame here. The moment you take this trade here, it's gone. Now, for you to maximize your reward, to get like 1,000 pip, 2,000 pip, 3,000 pip, don't be in a rush to close your position. This is one problem people have because they have already made maybe 5 USD, 10 USD, which is 1,000, 10 USD, which is 100 pip. They are so excited. Oh, they are so privileged to see 10 USD or 20 USD. They close the position. No. Let this market breathe. Let them do the work for you. Give it time. So if I place my buy here, including this day that there was a bearish day, I'm not closing it. Give it time. Give it time to develop. And as it's developing, you may even forget that your initial balance was 5 USD or 10 USD. Before you know, you have clock above 3,000 pip, 4,000 pip. Let's measure it from the place of entry. From here, just to this very day, this is 14,176. This is like 1,400 or 1,500 pips by normal calculation. All right. So with 0.01 lot size on this trade, you are making 147 USD just from here to here. And if you extend it further, this is you making about 250 USD if you extend it further. So instead of you to just close the trade today, come back tomorrow, struggle again, hustle for another entry. No, let that one do the work for you. This is one skill I'm here to pass to you guys. All right. So know the best time to engage. For example, after this candle have closed above this one, just like what I showed you guys, is another reversal. This day is a good day for me to engage. Now, what if when I come back to the market and then I found out that this market at this point of me, doing my analysis, preparing to trade my small account, it has moved with series of bullish candles like this. What I will advise you is to be patient. Wait for a reversal that will take place in the future, because you don't know where the market will start going to the downside. For example, if you come back here, if you come here now, because the direction is bullish, you want to start buying, you don't know if that day is the day the market will drop to the downside. Like this one, you may be lucky. But me, I will just patiently wait. You can see, even when you are lucky, the next day, you can't even hold the trade. All right? It's like you struggling. Take a look at this now. This big move have come back to wipe it out. So what I will do, I will start monitoring this hold down move until there is a new fresh reversal. You know, just monitoring it until there's a fresh reversal like this one. So with this fresh reversal, I can just, place my trade, allow it, give it enough time to develop. All right. Now, you see, something like this can take place in the market because you cannot be 100% perfect. Why I executed trade here with this entry day or this day, and then this day come and take me out, then that means that 5 USD or that 10 USD is already gone. What I will do, I will deposit money again into the market, wait for the right time again. We don't chase the market, like people who doesn't know what they are doing. The fact that you take loss doesn't mean you are a loser, doesn't mean you are a failure. It just means that the market did not align to your analysis that period. So with the same concept, the same trading system that you already know that this trading system work, that is what you prepare for. Okay, so after they have taken you out, deposit money, prepare again. Remember, with this bearish move, once I see the next green candle above it, is my call to engage. Now I'm preparing my orders, preparing. Now I can even start. Oh, this one I started push to the upside. This one I could even engage after this day, but now that this one has closed above, I start looking for my entry. Keep buying, keep buying. If I see some reactions like this, maybe they didn't go to the upside immediately, I may move my stop loss to break even while I allow the market to develop and see what is possible. So let me click the play button now. Okay, if this one come back to take my position out, then I will wait for another reversal again. That is how I do this thing, guys. So I will wait. If they took my out either on break even or perhaps your stop loss was taken out, then here this one has already closed above this one. All I just need to do is the next day look for my buying opportunity. It may be that I've seen it, on lower time frame here, then press the buy and then keep holding, keep holding. This day is a good trading day for the market to develop. This thing I'm giving you guys is exactly how I navigate my way in this market. And if you even have bigger capital, this will help you a lot, because with bigger capital, you will have enough room for the market to develop. Like all these ones that they retrace, with bigger capital, you don't have anything to feel about. So as they develop, you're already on profit. Then it will get to a level, you move to break even, or you close your trade, or I don't know, because there's no partial profit with 0.01 lot size. But however, this is how I do this thing, guys. This is how I do it. And the market just keep responding. All I just need to do, give it enough. Oh, okay, this is even the most current recent market. Now, with this recent market, you see, remember I said I wanted to place my position. All I have to do now is to wait for this candle to close, because there have been some reaction here for like a couple of days, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not yet time for me to engage. So if I see that this candle close above all these lines here, all this week, all these highs with good momentum, I don't even have to wait for anybody. I just look for my buying position and then ride this into the upside. So it is actually possible to trade on a smaller account, on trading gold on a smaller account. But one thing you need to understand, it is better if you have a bigger account. With this same strategy I just showed you guys, you can trade it on your bigger account, maybe from $50 above, $100 above, or even on a profit account. It worked perfectly. Backtest it, see the result first before putting it to work. All right, you can backtest by using your bar replay button. Backtest it on daily time frame, the direction first, and then know when you should engage. After you have mastered this thing, deposit money. Before you deposit money, you have to make sure that money you are depositing is not your last money. People do that a lot. They want to, no. Trading is better if the money you are putting into the market is what you can afford to lose. It's not what you are struggling with. So if you have, maybe $1,000, you deposit 100 USD or deposit 50 USD. You are not going to feel it if you lose the money compared to when you deposit your whole 1,000 US dollar. This is the best way to trade. All right. So I want you guys to backtest, put it to work. And then I hope this video is going to help most of you guys. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, turn your notification button on. I'm going to see you guys next upload. Peace.